Selecting and prioritizing projects is all what portfolio management is all about. And if you do Agile portfolio management, it will probably not be about projects, but it might be about epics, or it might be about what you do with sprints. But that really doesn't really matter. The prioritization is the thing. And the best way to do this is to start from the end, with the impact you would like to achieve, the results, the outcome, the value you will need to deliver. And what value is different, of course, but most organizations make a formula that they then use for weighted shortest job first. The weighted shortest job first is nothing more than how can we achieve the highest impact for the lowest effort. And for that you need some estimations about effort, you need a calculation of the expected benefit, you divide among each other, and then you have an ordered list. However, make sure that the list is not, let's say, frozen. The calculation of weighted shortest job first, for example, is a starting point, because it's still all about interaction. And the order that comes from the calculations may be the one you take, but first see whether it really makes sense. Have the discussion with each other, with your stakeholders, and if you want to move stuff around, that's okay. Maybe you can do it by splitting stuff up. That's really up to you, but make sure that you quantify the expected benefits, the expected impact, quantify the effort needed, divide them on each other, and then you have a first prioritized list.